ensuring health and safety on a construction site. Welcome to our guide on maintaining health and safety in a construction site. Construction sites are dynamic environments with various hazards that can lead to accidents if proper precautions aren't taken. First and foremost, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, is essential. This includes hard hats, safety glasses, high-visibility vests, gloves, and steel-toed boots. Clear signage should be displayed throughout the site, outlining safety rules and emergency procedures. This helps to keep everyone informed and aware of potential risks. Prior to starting work, all employees should undergo comprehensive safety training. This includes instruction on how to properly use equipment, handle materials, and respond to emergencies. Regular inspections of equipment and machinery are crucial to ensure they are in good working condition. Any defects or malfunctions should be addressed immediately to prevent accidents. Fall protection is paramount on construction sites, especially for tasks performed at heights. This may include guardrails, safety nets, or personal fall arrest systems. Proper handling and storage of hazardous materials are essential to prevent exposure and contamination. Workers should be trained on the correct procedures for handling such substances. Lifting heavy objects incorrectly can lead to strains and injuries. Encourage workers to use proper lifting techniques and provide mechanical aids when necessary. Encouraging regular breaks helps prevent fatigue, which can impair judgment and increase the risk of accidents. Adequate rest also promotes overall well-being. Supervisors should conduct regular safety walkthroughs to identify potential hazards and address them promptly. This proactive approach helps maintain a safe working environment. By prioritizing health and safety practices, we can ensure that everyone returns home safely at the end of each day. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you next time.